Introduce highlight features or overview summary of NenoBeo 4-cycle tiller cultivator powered, 52cc gasoline tiller. There are features include 52C high power engine. This gas tiller packs a reliable 52cc single-cylinder air-cooled 2-stroke 1F44F5 engine, delivering up to 1.9 kW of power at 6,500 to 7,000 rpm. This engine ensures smooth, consistent performance for cultivating, weeding, and soil preparation in any setting. Tilling width and adjustable depth. The rotating blades cover a generous 36 cm or 14.17 inch tilling width, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. The cultivated depth can be adjusted from 5 to 10 cm or 1.97 to 3.94 inch, enabling precise soil penetration for different tasks, from seedbed preparation to deep weeding. 4 durable 65 manganese steel blades. Tough jobs demand tough equipment. This cultivator's 4 hardened steel blades, 24 cm diameter each, are built to withstand rocky or hard-packed soils. The blade design ensures consistent tilling, churning up soil for planting, mixing compost, or removing weeds. Whether you're preparing seed beds, managing orchards, or maintaining tea gardens, the durable blade assembly guarantees long-term reliable performance. Portable design. Weighing only 17 kilograms or 37.48 pounds, this gas tiller is exceptionally easy to carry and maneuver. The compact design and integrated handles allow for simple transport across the yard or loading into a truck for off-site work. The lightweight body reduces user fatigue during long hours, making this one of the most user-friendly mini cultivators on the market for users of all experience levels. Versatile application. This all-in-one tool is your partner for preparing optimal soil conditions. It's applied in field cultivation, plastic greenhouses, tobacco fields, nurseries, orchards, tea gardens, flower beds, and small farms. Use it to turn soil, cultivate cash crops, or quickly remove stubborn grass and weeds between crop rows. This powerful gas tiller is the best tool for maintaining vigorous plant growth, suitable for a wide range of soils from sandy lands to more compact substrates. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.